Hello and welcome back to a brand new video. So today we're doing sort of an initial step-by-step tutorial for beginners on how to use Metricool, which is a social media planning tool, a social media event planning tool, all in one. And so I just signed up. In my case, I'm a freelancer that's working for multiple clients. So let's see what happens. It's just me. I'll work with colleagues, just me. How am I going to work with it? Let's say conversation management, because I talk to a lot of clients during the day. Create a page for my bio. I don't really publish, but if you're a person that wants to approach Metricool for programming and publishing on multiple social media platforms, so you might as well choose that. So when it comes to connecting your social media accounts, because you can connect most of your social media accounts, let's actually finish this. Are you sure you want to leave? Yes, I do want to leave. So here, it shows you on the home page all these social media platforms that you can connect and then subsequently just post about in tandem. And when it comes to all of those, except for a few, you can connect any standard type of profile. But when it comes to, for instance, specifically Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, you have to have business accounts as far as TikTok business. For TikTok personal, you can use your personal account for obvious reasons. And when it comes to changing your profiles, it's usually in the settings for the profile that you can change it from a standard profile to a business profile. So let's say you've connected all of your profiles and you've got your brand right here and you want to start making the posts as a social media individual or executive. So we go to planning, and basically what that brings up, it's that, okay, I'm a social media person as well, just for the sake of this. I want to publish content. Yes, please. And I want to finish. To enjoy Metricool. Oh, so I can't. All right. So let me connect one thing and get back to you. So I have connected my Facebook page. And now what I want to do is, let's say I want to post today at 12 p.m. I press this. I see whatever post I have. I have my page, my Facebook page right here. And then relating to the number of social media networks that you have, you can choose and click on these social media networks and it will post for you in tandem at that specific time, that very same post on all of them at the same time. So it's pretty handy. It's very time saving and it's wonderful because sometimes for these jobs, you need to post multiple posts a day over a bunch of platforms and it just saves you so much of the hassle. And it's very user friendly as well. All right, so let's see. Let's say you've been using it on a bunch of platforms for a while and now you want to check how everything is doing. You press on analytics. And once again, it's just because I didn't finish all of this, but basically on this page, on analytics, it shows you like the uptick. Are you on the uptick? Is it not working out for you? What is your demographic looking like? Which are all very handy and they're all presented in one place where you can just sort of have a comprehensive view of how your brand is doing and what you must change and the type of people that whatever it is that you're posting about your product or whatever it is that you're branding, how is it's being received and is it being received by the right people that you want to reach for. Now, some of these platforms, as you can see, are actually for free and they come with Metricool, which is, just right off the bat, right out of the box you can use. But stuff like Twitter and LinkedIn, if you press on it, it prompts you to just, you have to pay us. So let's press on plan and see what the plans are looking like. So basically, when it comes to Metricool, you've got 3 types of tiers. And you can pay in euro and in dollar, monthly or annually. You've got the starter, which is from $18 a month with annual payment. You've got unlimited monthly publications, 100 competitor analysis, access to Twitter and LinkedIn, reports, and Canva. So you get also Canva for free. You've got the advanced one, which is $45, all in free starter plus. You get team and client management as well. And this is the number of brands that you have. So you can be doing 5 brands, 10 brands with the initial one. You've up to 50 brands. And then you've got more than 50 brands, which is custom, which is just like you talk to them. It's not even a specific pricing. Role management, content approval system, customizable template, full analytics. So you get the whole shebang. And that's just like a quick run through of Metricool. If you've used it, if you've used any other social media planning platform, let us know in the comments. If you want me to review any other platform, also let me know. Subscribe for more, give it a like, and thank you so much for watching.